Good morning. It is Super Bowl Sunday. I am sitting in Aldi parking lot, drinking my iced coffee. I'm about to go grocery shopping and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I love grocery shopping. It is probably like the most therapeutic thing I do. I look forward to grocery shopping. We're actually watching the Super Bowl tonight on the projector at church with a bunch of our friends, so it's gonna be super fun. And yeah, I definitely need some snacks for that, so.
I'll look around until I found someone who laughs like you.
Hello, that's me, Sassy Irvine.
Hi, Sethy Irvine.
Today is Monday.
Monday.
Today.
Hi, baby. He's almost crawling. Scooting around, baby. We are going to school. I am about to make pizza. I'm making like a healthy version for me and then like a normal version for Mike. For mine, I'm gonna be using these protein wraps I bought, and I just put one in a little pie pan like this. And then for Mike and Seth's pizza, I'm just using this flatbread I bought. So oven is preheated. I am gonna put this in for 3 minutes and get it crispy and then load on all the toppings. I had to make the classic upstate New York Stewart's run in the snow this morning. Ethan's napping, so I'm editing the vlog right now. Seth had no preschool because it's a snow day, so also entertaining him. Are we doing hide and seek? Are you excited? What are you gonna do?
I'll play my so out.
You're gonna throw snow?
Yeah.
Are you gonna play with your diggers in the snow?
Throw dirt.
Ooh. One thing I love about this townhouse is I just set up a chair here and I can just watch him playing. It is Friday. We just had a huge snowstorm hit us and all of our power is out. But it is so beautiful outside. We're taking the kids out of the house again with the power outage, and it's getting dark soon, so we're gonna like go out to get some food, get some necessities, run some errands, just get out of the house, have some fun while the power is out. So that vlog was a little bit random, but I'm actually gonna end it here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. I'm really enjoying filming these, so hopefully there'll be more.